What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see it? Y'all see it, man. We got a lot shaking today. Woo! Everything shaking today, boy. Everything is shaking today. Woo! Boy, look, we got the, where's me? We got the cutlass out. Y'all know we had just hit the dyno. Ooh, I forgot to show y'all that. Look at that. I forgot to show y'all that. Yes, indeed. Hit him up. DJ been needing it on there. I got that one. Now, the only one going over there is a J Malcolm 2004 decal. I'm going to get this custom color. I'm going to have to hit my guy Eric up, man. I need the paint coat on this car. Have to hit my guy Eric. Showtime transmission. Showtime everything. Y'all see it? Y'all hit my boy DJ up. Showtime everything. Y'all know everything in the yard. Showtime power. Except Wifey, Monte, Carlo. But it's getting one too. She got a good transmission, but we putting a Showtime in there. Got to have Showtime everything. But we got the cutlass out. Cause I'm driving the cutlass. It's a pretty day. It's a beautiful day outside. All is well in as well, you know. And man, cutlass 290. Cutlass, boy, he needs some milk. Oh, somebody, he needs some milk. The cutlass needs some milk. But we ain't worried about it for real, man. I like the car. I'm done with it. I want to keep it like this so wife can drive it. But we got packages in, boy. We got, look. These big old boxes. Boy, what's in these boxes? Y'all got to stay tuned to the end and see them because I'm going to open them. But I got a lot shaking. I can't open them right now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2 right there. They strapped together. 5, 6. 6 boxes. 6 boxes. Big boxes, too. Big boxes too, man. Y'all got to stay tuned in. We going in. Then y'all see the Camaro coming back. John Jones coming back home. Y'all didn't even know. John Jones coming back home. The fleet and the family is about to be all reunited, man. Everything hell, oil pressure. Dolo will be back close sooner than I thought. Like I told y'all, Dolo on his way back. He coming back. Man, we about to have oil pressure with everything. I was thinking about buying Big Meats motor this month. Just going in, man. I've been going in. What we gonna hold up? Meats, we're gonna give you oil pressure next month. I gotta give y'all something to look at next month. So I'm gonna buy Meats a motor next month. I ain't gonna buy it this month because I already made a lot of power moves. It's been even more moves made that I can't talk about right now. But we gonna put Meats back on the road. Next month, we buying the engine. I'm just gonna buy another crate engine. I'm gonna set that in at the house. I might call Rick. Tell Rick, man, hey, the weather back warm, man. Let's get back to it, brother. Y'all know y'all like to see me and Rick going in. Y'all keep asking about me and Rick be talking, man. Rick, they're my fam, man. Rick doing good, but when he about to come back to his channel, boy. Y'all gonna want to tune in, all I can say. Ooh, boy, that money, Carlo. Whew. That money, Carlo, I've been saying, you know, we talk all the time. Just because it ain't public, we talk all the time. Always check on each other. But that money, Carlo, whew. Don't panic. That's his YouTube. Don't panic. Y'all tune in. But we about to pull up on my guy Brady, man. We're gonna see what Brady got going on. I'm gonna drive the cutlass over there. We're gonna pull up on him, kick it with him a little bit, see what he got working on in the paint booth. All of that. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Y'all know we gotta get that cold start. Y'all know I gotta say it, the doctor. Gotta get that cold start, man. Take this breathe off first, y'all. Take this breathe off here. know what, y'all? We'll be going to the track soon. I might drive it to the doctor, man, let him take it over. Take over the tune, make sure we got a good clean bill of health. Then we're gonna go to the track, man, see what that 290 horsepower do. Alright, y'all see it? Camaro back. This is what I was waiting on first before I left. And I gotta take this extra battery out this car and put it in Wifey car, so I can take her old battery and get it charged up. John Jones is back. John Jones is back, man. I'm so glad to see my boy. I know he dirty as I don't know what. I get time today. I'm gonna wash it real quick. That white so no look dirty. I need to wash this. I ain't washed this car since I got it. Boy, y'all been on me about the tire, man. I don't want to wipe my soap off, man. I don't want to wipe my blue soap off, but I know I'm gonna have to. It's gonna have to come off. My wheels dirty and stuff. But I'm gonna clean them up, man. Trust me. Give a vlog for that. I'm gonna clean them up, both of them. John Jones back though, so I'm finna get this thing unloaded. Then I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, so Mr. Jones is unloaded. Run like a sewing machine, man. It's back, boy. It's back. Woo! I wouldn't never guess what wrong either. I don't even know what the connector called, man. It's connected. It was zip tied right there, and it had got crushed. It got caught in between the strut towel, but it controls. I don't know what it's called. I'm still learning electronics and stuff, y'all. But it controls the cylinders over here on the odd cylinders. I mean the even. My bad. Over there on the passenger side. So when the problem it had, it was running on 4 cylinders, and I didn't even record that day. It was running on 4 cylinders, man. When I went and picked it up, the doctor got it back running, but then all of a sudden, like, man, it was running terrible. I had to take it right back and then have my guys tow it. So I got to shout out SOB Built Motorsports. It went back down the way it got tuned, cause I know they know this stuff. So it went back down there. I mean, they were busy. Y'all know it was gone about 2 weeks, but they got it all straightened out. It back running like it's supposed to. Luckily, it wasn't nothing major though. It wasn't nothing major that took a whole lot to fix. So Mr. Jones is back and need a wash bad too. Let me see. Back, boy. I'm telling you, it wasn't running like this, boy. It was running terrible. That thing running terrible, boy. It was sick. It was sick. So we back, man. Reunited, and we all. I don't know how it go. All I know is down on with me. That's all I know. Hey, we back. Let me get that thumbnail. Look at Wifey car back there. I gotta put the battery in Wifey car. We back, man. Yes, indeed. We back, reunited. Get that thumbnail, y'all. Hold on. I gotta get that good thumbnail. Boom. There you go. All right. So now we cut this off. We cut this bad boy off. Cut that off. So we got that running. I'll move it in a minute. But for now, let me get this extra battery out the Cutlass, and we're gonna put it in Wifey car, and then take Wifey car battery to the parts store. Let's see, y'all. Here we go. Got my little trick now. Little trick that popping the hood. So I'm gonna show y'all where I've been put the old battery. I just keep it extra. So this the old battery right here. It's some good though. Obviously, like I said, y'all saw why I got new battery, new alternator. And the belt, I need to change, I need to put a tension on this. My guy Eric got souped that up. It worked though. It worked. It's just the belt a little loose. It's a little loose. See, it's a little play. Better flip it that much. I want to get it a little tighter. And I was noticing in the dyno video, if y'all saw the belt was flapping, I said the belt need to be a little tighter. So we're finna get this out right quick. Dig this out of here. Oh, I can't do that. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands, remember. So I'm gonna dig this out. I'm gonna take it over there and change it out and crank up Wifey car. Alright, we over here. I think I got it. Yep, first try. Get this battery out. So I want to keep jumping this thing out every time. I need to repaint this on the hill now. Look at that. I'm gonna have to repaint it. It's alright though, we're gonna get it right. We gonna get it right. Where that water coming from? Go get a sock towel and dry that up. Oh, where that coming from? I don't know. Let me see. Nah, this on there tight. I don't know. I'm gonna but I don't know. I'm probably gonna take this. I'm probably gonna end up taking it to Jesse again. To let him just run through everything, you know, fine tune it. Cause I'm not a tuner. That's not what I do. I'm a part swapper. There's a lot of people part swapper. I'm a part swapper. I don't know about tuning and all that. Like I said, if I don't know about it, I really don't speak on it. And if I am wrong, and I see that I'm wrong, I don't have no problem admitting it, but some people do. Some people cannot admit when they wrong. Regardless of their experience, they can't admit it. I understand though. But yeah, I'm not a tuner, man, so I'm gonna take it to Jesse. Let him fine tune it, all of that. I'm gonna hook this that transmission vacuum up, cause that definitely needs to be done. That need to be done ASAP. Then vacuum lines for heat and stuff, you know, that need to be hooked up. I hope that battery ain't shouldn't be dead. And all of that, you know. So they got the alternator charging, so that's a good thing. Then I thinking about it, what I might do, actually, even with her alternator, I might take it over the woods and turn it into a 1-wire. I might go ahead and do that. So we might do that, y'all. We might, and probably will. I might just take it off. They do it so fast, man. The pricing so good. I might just take this one off and go ahead and turn it to a 1-wire. Y'all know I bought the pigtail for it. Jesse and them got it hooked up. And how about, look, I couldn't find my old alternator for nothing. When that episode where I was trying to put the alternator on the Cutlass, take it to wood to get rebuilt, I couldn't find it for nothing. Then it turned up, man, in the garage. I said, ain't that some junk? So I'm gonna take it and get it rebuilt. I'm gonna turn all of them into 1-wire alternators. It's cheap. I'm gonna turn all of them into a 1-wire. It's better. It's simple. All of that. Oh, and check this out. I went to eBay. I was searching through eBay. I found another fan shroud setup. So now I don't have to take the piece out the Cutlass car. I got one coming for this car. So Wifey gonna have that top piece to hold the radiator. And I found the same kind of fan shroud that I got in there. And how about this? How about, man, my guy Eric, the one that originally built the Cutlass, he had texted me and he was like, he got a fan shroud. He got the original fan shroud to come on the car. I was like, man, look at that. I told him I got to have that. So now I'm finna have 3 fan shrouds. I went from looking for him to having 3. So now, when Eric, he already shipped the fan shroud, man. Shout out to Eric. He gave it to me too, man. That was love. I appreciate it. And he got some more G-body parts too. He got some more G-body parts. He located in North Carolina. He want to give them away. He got a Monte Carlo back seat, some trim and moldings and stuff. So if you want some G-body parts, y'all hit me in the comments. I'll put you in contact with Eric, or y'all can hit his channel. Go comment on his videos on his channel. It's Eric Cantrell, Cantrell, ERIC, Eric Cantrell. And I'm sure he'll comment on this video. And if he does, I'll pin his comment. Y'all can get at him. He just trying to clean shop out. He got some Monte Carlo and G-body parts and stuff he trying to give away. So shout out to Eric for the fan shroud. So now the Cutlass will have a fan shroud. It should get here Monday. I just paid shipping, man. He gave it to me. I appreciate that. So we got a fan shroud for that. And Wifey piece will be in tomorrow. So if it's not raining, we're gonna put the fan shroud on this tomorrow. So she'll be good to go. And I gotta address this too. It need a new vacuum hose cause the brake. Or it need a new check valve. Hold on, y'all dark. Need a new check valve right here. So I'm going to the parts store and get that. Brakes kind of, they don't feel the best. So yeah, you check the fluid too. Fluid good. So all right, let's go. What am I gonna do? Go get the shop towel, clean that right there, and then we're gonna crank it up. All right. About 10 minutes later, I went ahead and hooked the put the overflow back in. Put the overflow back in there. Where keys in there? Oh, trying to stick John keys in there. I'm tripping. All right, let me see. Got so many keys out today, moving all these cars, y'all. Crank this old Monte Carlo up. I gotta mount them gauges too. Go ahead and do all that. I like to leave myself a little knick-knack stuff to do. Stuff don't take long. Too anxious. I gotta get this thing crunk up, running dry, cause Wifey got some stuff playing. Y'all have to check her. Yeah, this is a good hot battery. Oh yeah, the battery here ready. There we go. Right up. Just need some fine tuning. Had a fan shroud on tomorrow. Yeah, I hooked the overflow back up. I gotta get another clip. Gotta get another clip for right there. Get that fan shroud back on there. Turn it into a one wire. Electric toe working though. The electric toe definitely working. Boy, it's a power move coming on this car too, all I can say. It's a power move coming on this one too. Yes, indeed. I told y'all, we got a lot of stuff shaking now. A lot of stuff shaking. Let's see. Good oil pressure. Y'all can't see. Good oil pressure. Y'all know this motor don't have no miles on it though. Don't even have 1,000 miles on it. People that just tuning in probably wonder where this engine come from. It came out my car right there, Big Meats. Big Meats lasted the whole summer, man. I rode the whole summer. I had one mishap, the old motor, but yeah, it need a little tuning. Yeah, how it running. It need a little tuning. Cause it'll cut off if it'll cut off if I put in gear. I hear how it running. See, it got a mist. It got a mist to it. Might be a vacuum off too. I ain't think about that. Might be a vacuum. Might be this thing right here leaking. Nope, it ain't there. Ain't got no vacuum off in there. I know I need to tighten this. See why this? Putting in gear is gonna cut off. So might need to be oiled up too. Might try oiling it up some.